Welcome to another video of the Learn English with Cambridge YouTube channel. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button right now for much more videos of learning English. I've been a teacher for more than 14 years, and during this time I've realized that some nationalities have difficulties with different areas of learning English. With my experience as a teacher, talking to other teachers and students, I've noticed that some nationalities, for example Brazil, where I'm based, struggle with prepositions. And in this video, I'll give you 5 tips for you to learn prepositions. Tip number 1, never translate. With verbs, nouns, and adjectives, translation is a possibility because they have similar meanings in different languages. However, with prepositions, this almost never works because prepositions are function words. It means they have a grammatical job in each phrase. And sometimes they can even have more than one function, like at, that can be used for time or place. Tip 2. Learn them by their function. Since prepositions are function words, you should learn them by what they do, their function. You can see this in grammar books where they divide it by prepositions of place, time, movement, and position. If you know which prepositions can be used for each function, you have a better chance of getting it right when you use it. Tip number 3. Learn chunks. A good idea to learn prepositions is to learn phrases or expressions with prepositions. Memorize these phrases. So when you have to create a phrase, you can refer to the phrase you've memorized. My meeting is at 10 o'clock. My meeting is at 10 o'clock. My meeting is at 10 o'clock.
What time do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 12 o'clock. Tip number 4. Create a body movement. When learning prepositions of place, position, and movement, it's a good idea to create a body movement for each preposition. This helps the brain memorize when to use each one of them. The book is on the table. The book is under the table. The book is in the box. The book is next to the box. Tip number 5. Listening, reading, and writing prepositions. Expose yourself to books, newspapers, websites, blogs, podcasts, videos, and movies to notice the use of prepositions in context. You can even keep a notebook and register phrases, expressions, or phrasal verbs that contain prepositions for you to practice. Or even if you're reading a book, you can highlight the prepositions as you see them when you read. So those are my 5 tips to help you learn prepositions. If you want to get started on learning prepositions in a fun way, you can check out Maria's series on prepositions of time and place. The links for the videos are in the description of this video below. What do you have difficulty with in learning English? Tell me in the comment section. If this video was helpful to you, please give it a big like and share it with your friends, family, or students. I hope you stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye!